Sally up, and bring Sally down. Last gun start, gotta tell the ground. Bring Sally up, and bring Sally down.
All right. Episode of the day today. Got the radio working in the Mercedes. Now, big relief off my shoulders. If you're not familiar with Mercedes or what they use called the command system, they use it as their entertainment system for the car. In any case, when I bought this vehicle, the radio was not working. I kept saying system unavailable. So I did a little bit of research online, found out that the way that the system works is it does not have something called graceful degradation. That means if there's one component within the entire system that fails, everything fails, which is not a good design approach. But in any case, what I found out is since all of the electronics are actually run via fiber optics, and again, this car is from 2004, fiber optics, can you believe it? So since everything is running on fiber optics, the only way to test to see what the problem is with the car is actually to use what's called a fiber optic bypass. And with that fiber optic bypass, what that actually does is it creates a loop in the system so that you can test everything else that's actually running in the system. Now, I know I had another loop around. I probably actually left in the trunk. But in any case, that was actually a huge factor in me allowing me to actually fix the system. So what that fiber optic bypass looks like is this. I believe I had a male and a female version. I was able to use the female version. So it turns out that the CD changer I have a car navigation DVD system in the back. This is actually on the trunk. So there's the car navigation system that actually takes the DVD from the manufacturer and allows you to load maps on that. And then underneath it was a 6-disc CD changer. And something I wasn't able to do is when I actually pressed the eject button, the DVD came out for the car navigation, but in regards to the 6-disc CD changer, nothing. It was like the power wasn't even working. So sure enough, when I took the fiber optic cable out of that and I plugged that into my loop, tested the radio, and actually everything started working. So to have bought a car maybe about 4 months ago, and to finally actually be able to hear the sound in the car is a huge relief. So have more in store, but that was the first project I'd actually done on this car, maybe the second. But I wanted to make sure that the radio was actually working so that when I actually put the new radio in, I can make sure that everything was actually up to par with the original system. So at this point, working to figure out, do I actually replace and put a working CD disc changer in the back? Found them everywhere, anywhere from about $50 to about $200. It might be worthwhile. I don't anticipate using any CDs, but just to have something functioning in the back, so maybe I can just save my loop and just have something else back there, would be a big plus. But that is definitely the success story of the day. It's something that I've been looking into doing, but I just did not have the time until today to just sit down, open everything up, take a look, and test and see what's actually going on. So I actually get to test that out today. I got to take my son to dance class pretty soon, but I got to put everything back together. I'll test this out on the road, see how everything goes with it. And then later this week, I should have some other updates just in regards to working to install the new radio system, which will make what's currently installed pale in comparison. But definitely had to give you this update because it was a big one. I actually have sound in all of my vehicles now. That used to be a problem not too long ago. But the sound should be great. Speakers, I don't think I have to update anything as far as the speakers because they sound really good. But in any case, that's my update and more in store. So stay tuned. All right, bye.